Why your chainsaw keeps getting stuck. There's nothing more frustrating than a chainsaw that keeps getting stuck mid-cut. But the truth is, it usually comes down to a few common mistakes. Let's break down the main reasons and how to fix them. 1. A dull chain. If your chainsaw chain isn't sharp, it will grab, pinch, or stall in the wood instead of slicing through cleanly. You'll notice sawdust instead of wood chips. That's a clear sign it's time to sharpen or replace the chain. 2. Chain tension issues. Too loose and the chain can derail. Too tight and it struggles to move smoothly. The chain should snap back into place when pulled, but still move freely along the bar. Regular checks prevent binding and jamming. 3. Pinching the bar. This happens when the wood closes in on the cut and traps the bar. It's common if you cut logs on the ground or don't support them properly. The fix is to always secure your workpiece and plan your cut so the wood doesn't collapse on the saw. 4. Wrong cutting technique. Forcing the saw, twisting the bar, or cutting at awkward angles all increase the chances of getting stuck. A chainsaw cuts best with steady pressure and a straight path. Let the chain do the work, not brute force. 5. Poor maintenance. A dry bar, worn sprocket, or clogged oiler system will cause friction that makes the chain bind up. Keeping your saw clean, oiled, and well-maintained is just as important as using the right technique. Final tip. A chainsaw that keeps getting stuck isn't broken, it's just asking for a little care and better technique. Keep your chain sharp, your cuts supported, and your saw well-maintained, and you'll cut smoother and safer every time. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.